Hey guys, a quick video on how to set up and a review of the galvanized raised garden bed by VEVOR. We make some tough stuff, so let's see what we got here and set this up. The manual. Oh, it's heavy. Walls. Hopefully heavy. I'll put the specs below to this as well as a link to the item. But so far, looks pretty solid. Comes with some extra accessories too. That's the trim. Straight walls. Looks like all in protective plastic. You can leave it on or remove it. This is galvanized, so it won't rust. At least not for a long time. What's this? I guess if you want to put it under for moisture retention. Some mini garden tools, maybe to do a small planting. Hardware, name tags, and gloves. Alright, let's set this up. So we're going to remove the plastic of these walls. Peels off pretty easy. The assembly is pretty straightforward. We have 6 curved pieces. Four straight pieces. And you can actually make this shorter if you want, or go full size. I think there was 6 by 3 by 1 foot kit. And these guys will go in the middle just to support it. And that's basically the idea. So now we just screw it all down. Screws appear to be stainless steel, same with the lug nuts, or have a nice heavy coating. But you can do this by hand or use a screwdriver. Just be careful with the sharp edges. You might want to wear gloves. And if you want to help speed up the process, get a power drill or Phillips screwdriver, and that will just help you do it that much faster. Another thing you can do is pop all the screws in first and just loosely tighten the lug nuts, and then just screw it all down at the end, so you make sure everything's lined up correctly before you fully tighten it. But basically, this is where you got the lug nuts on the inside, so they're not visible outside, and the screws. No washers or nothing. This is it. Very simple. Yeah. On to the next one. 4 per each. Feels solid. I would say these are about 2-3 millimeters thick, so it should hold up very nicely. So the brace is going to go in the middle here, so we're going to get to that at the end. But now I'm just going to secure these. I'll probably leave one of the middle ones as connecting the brace. Now we just installed the metal bracket, and we're there, guys. So the bracket, you're gonna open these tabs up. I'm gonna slide them together, and 2 bolts over here. Make sure you guys don't lose any bolts, as there's exactly enough for this kit. This looks to be 1/4 inch bolts, 1/4 inch lug nuts, in case you need more. Just like that. And now we can put it in the middle. I'm not gonna go from the top to the support. You can go bottom wherever you want. I feel like when the dirt's gonna be expanding, that's where you want to hold in. Go. Now, what we gotta install is the trim at the edges. Basically, a little opening, and just slide that on. There we go. It's all done. Looks solid. I'll put it in a spot. Fill it up with dirt. So see how it rolls up. There you go, guys, all filled up. Took me about 12 minutes with this little shovel. Took a decent amount of dirt. Looks solid. It's not going anywhere. Yeah, it feels good. This is gonna be really nice. Hope this is helpful for you guys. Thanks for watching. Any questions, comments below. Please check out my channel for more how-to videos. And have a good one.